Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a for loop in C. So I've included my header file and I've created my main function, so let's get started. One thing I'm going to need is an integer that I can increment. So I'm going to create an integer called I, and then I'm going to say for, and let's say I equals 0, I is less than 10, so this will run 10 times. And then we'll increment I, and I do that with the plus plus here. That increments it by 1 each time throughout the loop. You could also do I equals I plus 1, okay? But I like I plus plus, okay? So now what I'm going to do is print a statement, something like supernatural is really cool, and then do a /n to break it to a new line. And at the end of this main function, we'll just return 0. And let's open up a terminal and compile this. So I'm going to type gcc for loop.c, and we're going to output for loop. Okay, everything went well in the compiling department. Let's run it. And now we run it, and we see that we've got this printed out. Supernatural is really cool 10 times. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.